Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share tools and strategies to help you grow your business and work smarter. So if that sounds good, make sure to hit subscribe. Now, let me ask you, have you ever lost a customer because you didn't reply fast enough? Or maybe you're constantly switching between Facebook, WhatsApp, email, and website chat just to keep up with conversations. That's stressful, and it's costing you sales. That's why I want to introduce you to CX Genie, an all-in-one platform that helps you stay on top of every customer conversation, automate responses, and capture more leads. It's perfect for solopreneurs, startups, and small businesses who want to respond faster, close more deals, and boost engagement without juggling multiple chat tools or paying expensive monthly subscriptions. And right now, there's a lifetime deal available. I'll tell you about that at the end. First up, the multi-channel inbox. Instead of juggling 5 different apps, CX Genie brings all your customer conversations together. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, your website chat, and even email into one clean dashboard. Imagine being able to see every message in one place and respond instantly, no matter where it came from. If you're a small team or working solo, this alone can save you hours every week. Next is chatbot automation. You can set up automated flows to answer common questions, qualify leads, or collect customer info, even while you sleep. For example, someone messages your Facebook page at 2 a.m. CX Genie can greet them, ask what they're looking for, and tag them as a hot lead before you even wake up. No coding, no complicated setup, just drag, drop, and go. Then there's the AI-powered replies. CX Genie uses ChatGPT-level AI to draft responses based on your business info, FAQs, and previous conversations. It's like having an extra support rep who never takes a day off. And you can still jump in anytime to add a personal touch. If you're working with a team, you'll love the team management and CRM tools. Assign conversations, set up tags, and track every lead's history so nothing slips through the cracks. Plus, the built-in analytics show you what's working, so you can optimize your customer interactions over time. Here's the part that really makes this a no-brainer. Most platforms with these features easily cost $50 to $100 a month, forever. But with this Appsumo lifetime deal, you pay once and you get access to CX Genie for life, including future updates. Depending on the tier, you can handle up to 60,000 conversations per month, unlimited chatbots, and even white label the platform if you want to resell it to clients. If you're tired of scattered messages, missed leads, and slow response times, CX Genie can seriously change the game for your business. And as always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you figure out if this is the right fit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.